Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to backup and to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. If you want to easily backup and to restore WhatsApp messages, then you need to watch the video attentively. First you have to enter WhatsApp. Then click three dot lines on the top right hand side and click on setting. Now tap on chat and then tap on chat backup. For video backup, check this box, click on include videos. Right now no account selected, and click on account, then select your account. Click on account. Now you select your Gmail account. Now it will be processing, and tap on allow button. Now your email address is visible. Now back up to Google Drive. You can see many options here. Select on and tap on daily option. Select your Gmail and back up over you can select. And select on Wi-Fi or cellular and tap on backup button. Now it will be processing. Take some time backup your data. Now it will be processing. So if you're new here in my channel, please subscribe. It will be completed. Now I will be uninstall my WhatsApp. Again install WhatsApp. And search your WhatsApp. Again install WhatsApp. Install is completed. Now it will be open it. Click on open and click on agree and continue. and set up your phone number. Click on next. And you can find and restore your backup from Google Drive. Allow WhatsApp access to your contacts and your device's photos, medias and files. Just click on continue. Just click on allow. And restore your messages and media from your phone's internal storage. If you don't restore now, you won't be able to restore later. Just I'm going to restore. Just click on restore. Click on next. Type your name here. Click on next. Please wait a moment. In this way, you can back up and restore your data. I hope in this video is well. So thanks for watching my video.